cut the cucumbers into triangles, put them in a bowl. Dice the tomato, add it to the bowl as well. Then dice the onions, add it to the bowl as well. Then take an avocado, cut it out, put it in, mix it all together, and you got yourself some guacamole. You can eat it with some Tostinos chips, and it's a great snack, you know, especially during the day when you don't have enough energy. This is great for you, and 2 avocados actually equal to a pretty much like a 5 to 6 ounce steak, so it's pretty good. But I prefer steak with guacamole, but on the side, you know, some rice, some cooked greens, some demi sauce on there. So yeah, definitely give this a try. Add a little bit of cayenne pepper as well, salt, and black pepper, and some lemons. And yeah, so it's pretty good overall.